𝒖𝒓𝒐 Pharma Group created its own success story and started where it was in the 90s, used what it had and did what it could to achieve the target of comprehensive solutions for all of our clients, starting from the patients all the way to the healthcare professionals. Our ruling mission has been and will always be improving the quality of life for the patients by providing premium quality pharmaceutical products and services at affordable prices all over Egypt. HPG established a scientific office, which contains a team that constructs the link between the science behind our products and how it's commercialized. Our success story started by one pharmacy until it reached 34 pharmacies all over Egypt. HPG's success is not confined to Egypt. 𝒖𝒓𝒐 Pharma Group extended its business to Europe and became an international business as we founded Rotabiogen UK Limited to supply many other countries abroad. The massive evolution that HPG accomplished within just a few years is without a doubt a great effort. The number of our HCPs reached over 40,000 professionals. We have 1,700 employees. The number of products is around 105 marketed. 35 is waiting for production, and 210 are under registration with more than 17 partners and counting, not to mention the outstanding development in our ranking in which we became the top 50 in pharmaceutical business. HPG constructed its industrial facility, Rotabiogen, which is located in the industrial zone in the 10th of Ramadan City, to be able to provide optimal quality. Rotabiogen constructed in compliance with current good manufacturing practice regulations enforced by the Food and Drug Administration. Rotabiogen's ultimate objective is to provide premium quality products with optimal quality standards. The manufacturing facility is composed of two buildings with a total area of 11,480.8 meters squared. Building number 1 is the first part of the ground floor. Aseptic and terminal sterilization production areas composed of a vial line, 2 milliliters to 100 milliliters. Ampoule line from 0.5 milliliters to 20 milliliters available for viscous products. A blistering line for solid dosage form. And a capping area. The second part of the ground floor is a warehouse composed of 4 cold rooms with a total area of 650 meters squared and 15 meters in height. The second floor in building number 1 is the utilities, HVAC system, and BMS. The third floor in building number 1 is the laboratory area with a microbiology lab, chemical labs, physical labs, and stability ones. Building number 2 is composed of a water station, purified water, water for injection, and pure steam with a boiler for industrial steam. The third floor is composed of chiller units, compressed air generator with a dryer, a filtration system, CIP/SIP system, a closed system filtration and online measurement of sensitive parameters, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, and pH. In our manufacturing process, we focus on the production of sterile generics with a huge production line capacity, an ampoule line of 145 million per year, a vial line of 129 million per year, Our quality control laboratory is characterized by the most advanced equipment to guarantee the quality of our products, and they are adherent to good laboratory practice standards. The equipment is from high brand sources, water, 𝒖𝒂𝒄𝒕, and more. They are CE certified, and its program complies with 21 CFR FDA guidelines. Preparation and packing under nitrogen with high purity 99.99%, fully automated closed system setup and filtering, online measurement of sensitive parameters, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, pH, automatic cleaning and sterilization system for preparation lines, CIP, SIP. The operation of Rotabiogen facility will be a strong step to cover the needs of the market in several therapeutic areas inside and outside of Egypt. with HBG's vision to be the top-ranking pharmaceutical and medical company that provides premium quality products and services for both patients and healthcare professionals in the Africa and Middle East North Africa regions by the end of 2025. The whole organization is managed by Dr. Yasser Hifni, chairman and founder. We will be able to reach our goals step by step and meet the expectations to become a company that continuously generates innovation and perfection.